So you can see here the results have come. Overall invested 3 lakh in this account. Whatever is the investment and what is the result will be given. You can see here Nifty 50 live snapshot is given. Also the option chain is given. Recommended structure, you can go with long put, you can see here buy, short put, with the strike it's giving you, and along with the LTP, OI, everything, complete strategy it will give you here. And the most exciting part is we are also coming up with an AI tool. As you can see here, this is a tool that we have developed. It will give the directional probability of Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, Sensex and stocks. You can see here it is around 66% downside. You can see here leans downside. Hi, I am C. Akshata Udupa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we all know, these days most of the successful traders use AI for trading. Using AI for trading can help you to minimize your analysis time and can aid in taking the trades with proper analysis. So today in this video, let us see how can we use AI in our trading journey. And for this, I am just going to use Claude AI and I am going to connect this with the broker terminal so that we will be able to do a lot of analysis with ease. For this, you can use any broker which is MCP supported, but I am showing you with Zerodha Kite. This is because I have been using it for a long time and it has worked well for me. So now let us check step by step as to how you can use Claude AI along with Zerodha Kite and make your trading journey smooth and efficient. So this is a document where you will get complete information, step by step guide as to how you have to connect the Claude AI with the Zerodha Kite and how you can carry out your trades. All the prompts, everything is given here. So let us check this out one by one. I'll just give this document in the description. You can check it out. So firstly, we need to download Claude desktop for connecting your broker terminal. If you are using web version, then this will not work. So make sure you download the Claude desktop. Just click on this or just copy this and paste it in another tab. So you will see this page, that is claude.com. So here you will have to click on this icon, download for Windows if you are using Windows, or if you are using Mac you will have to go with that, and you have to download this Claude desktop. So once you do this, we also need Node.js. So just copy this and paste it in a separate tab, and here you will have to download Windows installer. Okay, so you need this particular Node.js also to connect with the broker terminal. So once you do this, you will have to launch the Claude desktop. In your system, you will find Claude desktop application. You just have to open it. And once you open this, you will have to go to settings over here. Here you will find settings near your profile. Just click on this. This is after your installation. First you need to install and then you will have to go to your profile and here settings, and you will have to click on developer option here. So initially when you open this developer, this kite running, this will not come. Okay, here it will be blank. You have to select edit configuration. Once you select edit configure, a new window will be opened where you have to select this Claude desktop file, this file. You can see this file over there, so you will have to select this. Now you just have to right click on this and you will have to say open it with a notepad. Okay, once you see this file, you just have to right click and you have to open it with notepad. So when you open the notepad, you will see something like this. So you just have to select this entire thing, delete it completely, and you have to paste this one in the notepad. Just copy this, go to the notepad where you have deleted everything, just paste this and say save. So save the file and close the editor. So this is what you have to do to connect your Claude AI with Zerodha. So once you do this, you will have to close the entire Claude desktop. That is, just clicking the exit will not work. You will have to select file, then you have to say exit, so that completely the application will be closed. After that you will have to open it again. That is, you have to go to the Claude desktop here, you have to select file, you have to say exit. Now your entire application will be closed. Now again go and open it. So now when you again open this and go to profile over here, settings, and here developer, you will see here that you will be connected to the broker, Kite broker. You can see here it says running. So once that is done, your broker Kite MCP connection is successfully configured. Now you can use the Claude along with the Zerodha. So now let us see how to use this. So now since our Claude AI is connected to Zerodha Kite, let us start by asking our questions. So I have given all the prompts here for which I'll give the explanation now. So you can use these prompts as it is available in this document, and this document is available in my description. So you can just check this out. So firstly let us see how it will analyze our stocks in the portfolio. So I'll say analyze my complete stock portfolio using my connected Zerodha account, and for each of these holdings I need stock name, symbol, quantity held, average buy price, and all of this information. So now I'll simply copy this prompt. I will go to the Claude AI. So whatever questions you have, you can just type here and you can ask the Claude AI. So now I'll just paste this. You can see here, since we are using this for the first time, it says heads up before we connect. It says that we need to log into Kite. So just click on log into Kite here and you need to log in. You have to select open link. Now this you have to do every day in the morning in the first session. For the first session it will ask to log in. Once you do that, then you can ask any of your questions. So now my login is successful. So now let us once again paste our prompt and let's see. So with this prompt, it will analyze each stock and it will take time since my portfolio is big. So I'll just give a basic prompt here. Just analyze my portfolio and identify which stocks are performing well and which ones are underperforming. Just give it a basic version now so that we can quickly check how it works. You can give that complete prompt and see what will be the result for each of the stocks. So you can see here the results have come. Overall invested 3 lakh in this account. Whatever is the investment and what is the result will be given here. You can see overall investment, you can see what is the current value now, you can see how much return we have got, and you can also see the quick flag if there is any before the breakdown happens, that is which are the stocks in which breakdown might come. Everything is given here. You can see the P&L also, how much percent is a return that we got in each stock, that is also given. You can see the underperformers. You can also see the other information like demergers which has affected our holding, and every detailed information is available. If you want to complete detailed, still more in-depth information, then you can give this prompt which I had already given. Okay, but it will take little longer time if your portfolio is big. Similarly, you can ask different prompts like analyze my portfolio and identify which stocks are performing well and which are underperforming. You can also give all these prompts so that you will get detailed analysis of everything. Now, if you are someone who is an option trader and you want a very good non-directional option trading strategy for weekly expiry, then you can give this prompt. I'll just copy paste this. Again, you can use this. It is there in the document. Just copy paste over here. So for Nifty, it will give the non-directional option strategy. You can see here it says good, since you have got Kite connected, I can pull genuinely live data instead of relying on stale search snippets from the option chart. So it's taking the live numbers now. You can see here Nifty 50 live snapshot is given. Also the option chain is given. Recommended structure, you can go with long put. You can see here buy, short put. With the strike it's giving you, and along with the LTP, OI, everything, complete strategy it will give you. So with one lot it will give net credit received, maximum profit that can be made, that is 4,316, and this is the maximum loss that can happen, break even, everything is given here. So complete detail of the strategy, a complete strategy is available here. So if you give the proper prompt, the more elaborate your prompt is, the more accurate or the more elaborate analysis you will be able to generate. So similarly, you can also give the prompt for, say, I have just created one considering 1 lakh as a capital. If you want to invest for short term, say like a swing trade or something, you can just say I have 1 lakh to invest for short term, analyze the current Indian stock market using live data and recommend a diversified portfolio consisting of nifty mid cap stocks. Now that doesn't mean you blindly take the trades in these stocks, but it will give you an analysis of the stocks from where you can analyze yourself and decide in which stock you want to invest. So again, you can try this out. It will give a great, very good explanation analysis of the stocks which you can consider for taking the trades. And the most exciting part is we are also coming up with an AI tool. As you can see here, this is a tool that we have developed. It will give the directional probability of Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, Sensex and stocks. You can see here it is around 66% downside. You can see here leans downside, and you can get complete information here, what is the expected move, and all of these are based on the AI. You can see straddles own technical read. You can see the last 20 candles here, 5 minutes candles. You can also get the major support resistance levels. You can also get the writer positioning, that is if you are someone who is an option writer, then you can get the information here. You also have the gap ups and the trends coming up. Here you can see the momentum based on RSI. You can see maximum pain, and here price action is also available. You can check here RSI EMA 50 using 5 minutes time frame, and you also have heavy weighted stocks which you can consider, which you can put in your watch list and look for trading opportunity. So this is a stock screener which you can use for taking the trades. You can run this at around 9:20 AM, check the stocks, put it in your watch list and look for intraday trading. So basically it is a screener. It is a place where you can get all the information in one place. Now if you want to check out any particular stock, if you want to analyze a stock, you can just select stock here and select a particular stock which you want to analyze, say for example Bharti Airtel, and say analyze. So you can see here it is 0.26% down. You can see the next resistance level, next support level. Also you can see this technical chart here, and based on different indicators, how is it, what is the price is also given here. You can see this is based on EMA 50, this is EMA 100, EMA 50 using 15 minutes time frame, EMA 100 using 15 minutes. These are daily time frames, these are 15 minutes time frames. And also what is the RSI now, that is also available. RSI based on different time frames and based on daily time frame. Then we have VWAP, Super Trend, MACD, ADX, ATRs, and you can also see the price action over here. Resistance and support based on daily pivot is also available. So you can do a basic analysis here itself before you take the trades. So any stock you want to know, you can just select it from this list and see how it works. So this is a place or one place where you can get all the information in one go, and it will save lot of your analysis time. Instead of searching in different places for different things, everything will be available in one place, and all of this information is based on AI. It is not a buy sell recommendation. So if you are interested, you can just fill out the form that is given in the description, and we will reach out to you. We will mail you and give the complete details. So as an initial early bird offer, we are giving this for free. So you can just fill out the form given in the description and register. And yeah, if you have not yet joined our free Telegram channel, that is udupafinance, then please join using the link that is given in the description. Here daily we will be posting different information, and whatever research we do throughout the day will also be posted here. We will also post the learnings, that is how we have taken the trades and what is the analysis behind it and all these things. So you can join this free Telegram channel using the link that is given in the description. If you like this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon. I will be back with another informative content very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.